County Meath sits in the heart of Ireland's ancient east, making it one of the country's richest destinations for history lovers. Its nickname, the Royal County, comes from its role as the ancient seat of Ireland's High Kings. Today, visitors can explore UNESCO World Heritage sites, magnificent castles, ancient monasteries, charming towns and peaceful countryside, all within easy reach of Dublin. No visit to County Meath is complete without experiencing Brú na Bóinne. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this extraordinary archaeological landscape is older than Stonehenge and even older than the Egyptian pyramids. Its most famous monument is Newgrange, a massive passage tomb built more than 5,000 years ago. Every year during the winter solstice, sunlight enters through a narrow roof box and perfectly illuminates the burial chamber deep inside the monument, a remarkable achievement that still amazes archaeologists today. Nearby Knowth and Dowth complete this ancient complex, with impressive stone carvings and burial chambers that reveal the incredible craftsmanship of Ireland's earliest communities. Just a short drive away is another place surrounded by legend. The Hill of Tara was once the ceremonial seat of the High Kings of Ireland. Although today it appears peaceful, this hill was once one of the country's most important political and spiritual centres. Visitors can walk among ancient earthworks, discover the famous Stone of Destiny, known as the Lia File, and enjoy panoramic views across the Irish countryside. Whether you're interested in Irish mythology or ancient history, the Hill of Tara offers a fascinating glimpse into Ireland's royal past. Moving forward several centuries brings us to one of Ireland's greatest medieval landmarks. Trim Castle is the largest Anglo-Norman castle in Ireland and dominates the banks of the River Boyne. Built during the 12th century, its towering walls have stood through battles, sieges, and centuries of Irish history. The castle became internationally recognised after appearing in the film Braveheart, but its real history is even more impressive. Visitors can climb its towers, explore its defensive walls, and enjoy spectacular views across the surrounding countryside. County Meath is also home to some of Ireland's finest medieval monastic sites. Mellifont Abbey was Ireland's first Cistercian monastery and played an important role in spreading Christianity throughout the country. Its elegant cloisters and impressive stonework continue to attract visitors from around the world. Bective Abbey, founded in 1147 on the banks of the River Boyne, is one of Ireland's best preserved Cistercian monasteries. Its striking Gothic architecture, vaulted cloisters, and peaceful riverside setting have also made it a popular filming location for movies and television. Another landmark that deserves a place on every Meath itinerary is the Hill of Slane. Steeped in history and legend, this iconic hill is closely linked with St. Patrick, who is said to have lit the Paschal fire here in 433 AD. The act challenged the High King at the nearby Hill of Tara and marked a defining moment in the spread of Christianity across Ireland. Today, visitors can explore the atmospheric ruins of a Franciscan friary, enjoy sweeping views across the Boyne Valley, and discover one of the country's most significant early Christian sites. From prehistoric monuments older than the pyramids, to medieval castles, peaceful abbeys, and breathtaking countryside, County Meath is one of Ireland's most rewarding destinations. If you enjoyed this guide to the best things to do in Meath, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel guides across Ireland, and let us know in the comments which destination you'd most like to visit. We'll see you in the next adventure.